Namaste and welcome to our channel Spiritual Oasis. Holika Dahan 2025 is just around the corner, and in this video, we'll cover everything you need to know, the date, time, rituals, and spiritual significance of this powerful Hindu festival. So stay tuned till the end to ensure you perform the rituals at the right Muhurta and receive divine blessings. What is Holika Dahan? Holika Dahan, also known as Holika Deepak or Choti Holi, is a significant Hindu festival that symbolizes the triumph of good over evil. It is celebrated on the eve of Holi with bonfires lit across the country to mark the burning of Holika, the demoness who tried to harm Prahlad. Holika Dahan 2025 date and time, mark your calendars. In 2025, Holika Dahan falls on Thursday, March 13th. The most auspicious time for Holika Dahan, known as the Holika Dahan Muhurta, is from 11:26 pm to 12:31 am on March 14th. Why is timing important for Holika Dahan? Performing Holika Dahan at the right time is crucial. According to Hindu scriptures, it should be done during Pradosh Kal, the period after sunset when the full moon, Purnima, is active. But we must also be mindful of Bhadra, a specific inauspicious period. How is the Holika Dahan Muhurta decided? Here are the key rules for selecting the right Muhurta for Holika Dahan. 1. Pradosh Kal preference. It should be performed in Pradosh Kal when Purnima Tithi is active. 2. Avoiding Bhadra Mukha. The front part of Bhadra is highly inauspicious and should be avoided. 3. If Bhadra continues into Pradosh, wait until Bhadra ends before performing the ritual. 4. If Bhadra extends beyond midnight, perform the ritual only during Bhadra Puncha, the tail end of Bhadra. 4. What if Pradosh or Bhadra Puncha is not available? In case neither of these time slots is available, Pradosh Kal should still be prioritized to ensure the festival's positive impact. Spiritual significance of Holika Dahan. Holika Dahan is not just about lighting a fire, it carries deep spiritual meaning. It signifies the victory of good over evil, the power of unwavering devotion, as seen in Prahlad's faith in Lord Vishnu. The burning away of negativity and sins by following the correct Muhurta, you invite prosperity, happiness, and divine blessings into your life. That's all you need to know about Holika Dahan 2025. Remember to check the correct Muhurta before performing the ritual to avoid any inauspicious timing. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe.